thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Mua. Thank you for your support and make sure you subscribe, like and comment to this YouTube channel. Guys, I love you for your continued support. I know I help you a lot in playing Catholic piano. So guys, today I'll be playing a song that is called Eukaristia ni chakula. Eukaristia ni chakula. So I hope you will enjoy this lesson and thank you so much guys for your support. So without wasting our time, we are going to start with our melody. So you have first to find your melody. So it's like that. The first thing, even if you have never played the song, you first have to just find the melody. Like me, I'm playing this song for the first time. So, Eukaristia ni chakula. Remember, I'm playing on G. I have not transposed my piano. We can try -2. -2, so we shall be playing on 1, 2. We shall be playing on F major. Repeat the same. Let's play once more. Let's play once more, guys. So after that we play our chords. But you can play also on a higher octave. Let's play on a higher octave. After that, we have to find our tempo using the tempo tapper. 2, 3, 4, like that. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. My name is always Mr. Fred Moa. Keep watching these videos and you shall be educated on how to play Catholic piano. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Fred Moa as always. So guys, thank you and God bless you. Till next time, thank you.